After Adam HaRishon sinned, one of the curses was Bezeat apecha tuchal lachem, meaning that you're going to have to work very, very hard your entire life to make money. And we see that it's affecting us up until today. Why is it so hard to make money? Why does everybody have difficulties and challenges in making ends meet and making money? Is that a curse? Is that something that we need to rectify going all the way back to Adam HaRishon? Or maybe that's the path that Hashem wants me to walk on to deal with these challenges. Or maybe I am doing something wrong that is stopping the abundance, the shefa, the blessing from above to manifest into this world, into my parnasah and my sustenance. Shalom, my name is Alon Nava, and I want to invite you to a fascinating lecture, Motzei Shabbat, February 7, in Aurora, Colorado, where I'm going to be teaching and discussing everything that has to do with my parnasah, making money, earning money, what is the depth behind money, and the mysticism of Kabbalah that explains to us what is the role of money in my life and in this world, and how can I rectify that, not only to affect myself, but to affect the entire world. Motzei Shabbat, Aurora, Colorado. Don't miss it.